let's add a coral to our new reef tank. So this is our newly to us setup SPS LPS tank, which will be mainly dominated by SPS, but we do have a couple pieces of LPS that we want to add to this aquarium. As you guys can see, this tank is absolutely disgusting. So today we are doing our first water change on the tank. The cycle is complete. We do have some diatoms all across the sand bed there and the rocks, but we're gonna get this thing cleaned up, and we have one coral that we're gonna be putting in this aquarium. And that coral is our Duncan right there in the back. As you guys can see, this thing is pretty massive. It's getting pretty big with about 40 plus heads. I bought it when it had maybe 3 or 4 heads on it, so this is going to be our tester coral. But first, we gotta clean the tank. The aquarium is now clean. It's a little cloudy because of the sand, but that'll clear up here in a second. We're gonna give it some time, and then we're gonna add in our Duncan coral to this tank. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, but as you guys can see, this coral's looking pretty good next to the bubble, which is the next coral to go in. So let's take out the Duncan. The Duncan is now acclimated and in the tank. I'm hoping that it does all right. We raised up this gyro pump here a little bit so that it doesn't hit the coral too much, but I know it's going to take some time for this thing to get fully adjusted in the aquarium, but it's a pretty hardy coral. So first coral is added to the new 30 gallon.